Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all posts from a Facebook page at once. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you open Facebook and go to Menu, from the menu, click on this arrow. It will show you all your pages. Now to delete posts at once from a specific page, we have to open Facebook in Google. So minimize it and open Google. Search for Facebook, and then if you click on Facebook, it will redirect you to your official Facebook app. But we have to turn off one setting, then it will open Facebook in Google Chrome.
So, open your homepage and keep tapping on Facebook. Then, open this app info. Scroll down and here you'll find this Open Default. Open it and you have to close this option of Open Supported Links. Close this. And now, if you try to open Facebook from Google, it will open in Chrome.
Here it is. If you click on these three dots on the top right side, you will get this desktop site. Click on that, then it will open in Desktop Site View. After that, you have to select the page where you want to delete all posts at once. So I will zoom in, click on this profile icon, and here you will get See All Profiles. Then it will show you all your pages. Now I will select this specific one, and then it will open my page where I want to delete posts. So here it is. Zoom in, then you will get this Professional Dashboard. You have to click on that, and here it will open all settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down in Platform Tools and then tap on Meta Business Suite. Now if you zoom in, here you have to select all posts. I will select these all, and then you have to swipe like this. Here you will get these three buttons. You have to click on that, and here you will get Delete Posts. If you click on Delete Posts, it will show you that posts will be permanently deleted. You have to click on Delete, and that's it. So that's basically how you can delete all posts from a Facebook page at once. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.